Welcome back to another GT Homes exclusive. One of the questions we often hear is, what's the difference between a cosigner and a guarantor? Great question. When applying for a mortgage, your lender will review a variety of factors, including your income, credit score, and existing debts. Unfortunately, it's common to fall short of their expectations. For example, you might have a short credit history or a small income compared to what you want to buy. If you're unable to get a mortgage on your own, your lender can allow you to compensate for your shortcomings by involving a third party with a healthy financial record. This person will take a form of a cosigner or a guarantor. In both cases, they will help you get a mortgage by vouching for you and agreeing to help with payments if need be. However, there are some key differences between the two. A cosigner is responsible for every payment the main borrower misses. Typically, this means that the main borrower makes the mortgage payments and the cosigner only steps in if they miss a payment or defaults. However, from the lender's point of view, both are on the hook for paying off the mortgage. If the main borrower doesn't pay for their mortgage or defaults, it will hurt their cosigner's credit score. Furthermore, a cosigner needs to sign the mortgage application and mortgage agreement. They also need to be listed on the home's title and become part owner of the home. A guarantor, on the other hand, only becomes responsible for the mortgage if the main borrower goes into total default. They will need to sign the mortgage application, but they don't have to be on the mortgage agreement. Plus, their name won't be on the home's title, meaning that they don't own the home. A guarantor's credit score will only be affected if the main borrower defaults, not if they miss a payment. Since a guarantor has less responsibility, lenders tend to be more cautious about offering mortgages this way. Opting for a guarantor could be a smart move for someone who's almost approved for a mortgage, but could use a bit of extra help. If you're struggling to decide if you need a cosigner or a guarantor, reach out to one of our Platinum agents. We can help you find the perfect home for you or a loved one. Thank you for watching another GT Homes exclusive. Remember to subscribe and to visit us at gtahomes.com.